Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel How to Guide. In today's guide video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer Ethereum from your Coinbase account to your Coinbase wallet. It is a quick and easy process, so let's get straight into it. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do consider subscribing because we upload informative videos like this every day. So make sure you are notified to every video we post. Today I'm going to use my desktop to transfer the Ethereum. You can also choose to do it in your mobile device. It is the same process. Firstly, log into your Coinbase account. Then open up your Coinbase wallet. I have added the Coinbase extension here. If you also want to add the Coinbase extension, you can see an option on the left side of the screen here which says Get Wallet. If you don't see that option, you can search in Google. You can search as Coinbase wallet extension and you can simply add it from here. So what you'll need to do is open up the wallet. Then if you scroll down, click on Add Crypto. Then transfer to another wallet. Now copy the address to Ethereum. After that's copied, head over to Coinbase. Then click on Send. Now search Ethereum. Then on the To tab, paste the address that you just copied from the wallet. Then type in how much Ethereum you want to transfer. You can also choose it in currency. So for now, I'm gonna choose straight as Ethereum. After you completed this step, you can simply click on Continue. I do not have sufficient balance on my account, so I'm not able to click Continue. But if you have, you can easily click on Continue, and after a few seconds, your Ethereum will be successfully transferred from your Coinbase account to your Coinbase wallet. So those were the few easy steps to transfer your Ethereum from your Coinbase account to your Coinbase wallet. If you guys like this video, do let us know by hitting that like button. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video.